Let's bring a rating element onto our page, go to Add Elements, and then select the rating element, click, hold and drag, and drop it to the area where you want to apply the rating. To interact with it, click on it, and I think the first thing we'll do is to align it to the left so it is uniform to the rest of my layout here. The settings, we go all the way to the left, and we have 2 rating scales. Currently we have 5 stars, but we can switch it to 10 stars. Alternatively, you have the style with these stars displayed or a number saying how many stars applies. The label, currently to the left, to the right, or if you want to have no label. In the event where you do put a label, you can also adjust the spacing between the rating stars and the label. And the rating you set over here with a maximum of 5. The standard icon is probably the stars, but if you want to choose something different, in this case I'll go for a hamburger, you can switch out the icon easily, increase the size, and you also have custom control over the size of the icon, and then spacing between the icons. To change the label, double click to select the word rating and type in your label. This typography can be changed under typography, and to match the size of the icons, I'm just increasing the size of the rating label as well. Colors for the text, and then for the rating itself. And you can also apply a background. And that will be the remainder of the rating that wasn't selected. You also have hover if you want to apply a hover to the rating or to any of the other parts. Apart from that, the usual suspects under settings, you have your padding, your margins, duplicate and delete. And then if we go into responsive view, this is quite easy to adjust. You're going to adjust it based on your layout and a mobile display.